If you go to use your iPhone and it says no SIM or no SIM available, I'm going to walk you through certain steps that you can take to definitely get that fixed, whether you have an eSIM, an electronic SIM card, or a physical SIM card. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is swipe down from the top right and just toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, and then uncheck airplane mode. This will reconnect to your cell signal and see if at that point your SIM card works. If it doesn't work, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, and then tap on Cellular midway down and scroll down. Now, if you have an eSIM or an electronic SIM card, you'll be able to see it on here and it will say Delete eSIM. If you do have a eSIM on here, just toggle it off and wait for a few seconds, and then just tap on it and then toggle it back on. Again, just refreshing that eSIM to see if it will connect to the carrier. If you don't have an eSIM, you have a physical SIM card, just find the little ejector button. It's essentially a little hole that you put a paper clip in or an ejector tool, and then pop out that SIM card and then just put it back in. Now, if that doesn't work, that's no problem because there are other steps that we can take to get that fixed. Scroll down from here, tap on General, and then tap on About. You're going to look to see if after about 10 seconds, a carrier update pops up. So it'll look something like this. It'll just pop up in the About section. It'll say Carrier Settings Update, and you'll just tap on the Update button. So again, just hang out in here for about 10 seconds to see if that does pop up, and if it does, just go through the update for your carrier. However, if that doesn't pop up, let's just go back out of here to the beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Reset. On here, we're going to choose to reset all of your network settings. These are resetting all of the settings associated with your eSIM and cellular signal. So tap on Reset Network Settings, and then just enter in the passcode for your phone. After you've done this, this a lot of times fixes the issue. But if this doesn't fix it by resetting those network settings, we're going to try to do a force restart on your phone. To do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Now I'll walk you through this step. You're going to keep holding that side button, even though it says slide to power off. You're going to wait until your phone screen goes black like that, and then wait until the Apple logo appears. When it does, you can release your finger from that power button, and you've done a force restart. If none of these work, you might want to reach out to your carrier or just update your phone to the latest iOS to see if that fixes it as well. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.